Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class of mathematics. So, in our earlier class, we have already completed the chapter on money. In today's class, we will be starting a new chapter, which is chapter number 5, factors and multiples. So, before starting anything and moving deep into this chapter, let's quickly look at the concept related to factors.
Today, we will learn about factors. First, let us understand what we mean by the factor of a number. Let us take the number 12. To begin with, let us find out the pairs of numbers that give 12 as their product. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So, we get three pairs of numbers that give us the product 12. No other pair of numbers, when multiplied, will give the product 12. Now, let us take each pair of numbers separately and understand what it means. Let us take the first pair. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Here, when we divide 12 by 1, we get the quotient as 12. And when we divide 12 by 12, we get the quotient as 1. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 1 and 12. Pair 2. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Here, when we divide 12 by 2, we get the quotient as 6. And if we divide 12 by 6, we get the quotient as 2. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 2 and 6. Pair 3. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Here, if we divide 12 by 3, we get the quotient as 4. And if we divide 12 by 4, we get the quotient as 3. Here also, we get the remainder as 0 in both the divisions. Thus, it means that 12 is divisible by 3 and 4. Thus, we now understand that 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Hence, we say that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors of 12. Hence, we can define factor of a number as a number which exactly divides the given number. Or we can say that factors are numbers you can multiply together to get given number. Now, let us look at certain points which we need to understand related to a factor with the help of some examples. Point 1. 1 is a factor of every number. Look at the example. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. Thus, 1 multiplied by any number gives the number itself as the product, and any number divided by 1 also gives the number itself as the quotient. Hence, we conclude that 1 is a factor of every number. Point 2. Every number is a factor of itself. We know that 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Thus, any number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself as the product, and any number divided by itself gives 1 as the quotient. Hence, every number is a factor of itself. 3. The factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Look at the factors of 12, which we found out earlier. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Note that the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 are less than 12, and the last factor 12 is equal to 12. Thus, it shows that the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. 4. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Let us look at the factors of 7. They are 1 and 7. No other pair of numbers, when multiplied together, will give the product 7. That is, the number 7 has at least 2 factors, 1 and 7. That is, number 1 and the number 7 itself. Hence, we can say that every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Do remember these points properly. They will help you to find the factors as we go further. Now, let us find the factors of one more number. Let us take the number 30. The pairs of numbers which give the product 30 are 1 into 30 is equal to 30. 2 into 15 is equal to 30. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Thus, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Now, look at these factors and remember these points. 1. A factor of a number exactly divides that number. 2. 1 is a factor of every number. 3. Every number is a factor of itself. 4. The factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. 5. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself.
So this is the page from your textbook of chapter number 5. Here it is discussed about factors, जो कि हम अभी वीडियो में देख चुके हैं कि factors क्या होते हैं. किसी भी नंबर को हम किन नंबर के प्रोडक्ट्स के रूप में लिख सकते हैं. Those numbers are the factors. For example, if we talk about this 16, so 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. That means 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. They all are the factors of 16. So now next, what we have is exercise 5.1. So we have to fill in the blanks. So now first one, 1 into 30, right? 2 multiplied by 15. Now you will say कि मैम आपको कैसे पता कि यहाँ 15 आएगा, राइट? तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, इस फैक्टर से 30 को डिवाइड कर सकते हो. So 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 0 will come down, and 2 fives are 10. So this is done. Fine. So we have to solve it like this. Now next. 30 is equal to what into 10? 3 into 10, right? 3 tens are 30. And 5 की table में 30 कब आता है? 6 are. So 6 fives are 30. So what are the factors of 30? They are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay, 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 and 30. Now next one, 36 is equal to 1 into 36. If I divide 36 by 2, what I will get? I will get 18. If I divide 36 by 3, what I will get? 12. If I divide 36 by 4, 9. And 6 6 are 36. Done. So what are the factors of this 36? The factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now you see यहाँ पे 6 दो बार आ रहा है, तो हमें दो बार 6 नहीं लिखना, सिर्फ एक बार लिखना है. फाइन. 9, 12, 18 एंड 36. फाइन. हम सिर्फ इन्हीं नंबर्स को लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे अरेंज करके. नाउ नेक्स्ट. 56 is equal to 1 into 56. 2 multiplied by 28. 14 4s are 56. And 8 7s are 56. So what will be the factors of 56? They will be 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Okay. Now next, in case of this 81, 1 into 81 is equal to 81. Now the 81 divided by 3 will be equals to 27, and 9 nines is also 81. So what are the factors of 81? They are 1, 3, 9. Again 9 is repeated twice. 9 दो बार आ रहा है, but we will write only once. 27 and 81. So we have completed exercise 5.1. The video also we have seen that every number has one and itself as its factors. So 45 का फैक्टर 45 खुद भी होगा और 1 भी होगा, उसके अलावा 5 होगा, 9 होगा, 3 होगा, 15 होगा. तो जहां जहां पर वो टेबल में आते हैं नंबर्स, दे ऑल विल बी द फैक्टर्स. Similarly here. So now in this, try this, we have to find out the factors of 54. So what will be the factors of 54? 1, 2, 3, 4 will not be there, 6, 9 and 18, 27 and 54. So in a similar way you have to find out the factors of 26. So they will be 1, 2, 13 and 26. 42. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. नाउ यू विल से मैम आपको तो 21 की टेबल नहीं आती, आपको कैसे पता कि 21 आएगा? अभी हमने वीडियो में क्या देखा था कि जब भी कोई एक नंबर है इसका मतलब दूसरा नंबर भी होगा कहीं ना कहीं, राइट? फैक्टर्स हमेशा दो नंबर्स, जो नंबर्स होते हैं वो दो फैक्टर्स से मिलकर बनते हैं. 1 की टेबल, 2 की टेबल, 3 की टेबल, 6 की टेबल, ऑलमोस्ट आपको 20 तक टेबल्स तो आती हैं. बट अगर 21 है तो फिर यहाँ पे कोई और नंबर भी होगा जो 21 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होकर 42 बनाएगा. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जनरली वी कैन डिवाइड दिस नंबर. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस 3. 3 से अगर हम 42 को डिवाइड करेंगे, so it will be equals to 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, and then a 2, and then 3 fours are 12. तो क्या आ गया? 14 आ गया. Similarly, if you divide 42 by 2, you will get 21. Fine. So next we have exercise 5.2, where we need, question number 1 says that we need to write the factors of the given numbers. So we will solve these questions on the board. So this is the question number 1. So we need to write down the factors. तो हमें क्या करना है, सबसे पहले हमें वो नंबर्स लिखने हैं जिनकी टेबल में ये आते हैं, राइट? सो 40 इज इक्वल टू 1 और 40 तो होगा ही, नो डाउट. नेक्स्ट चेक कर लेते हैं 2 की टेबल में आता है या नहीं 40. So 2 2s are 4 और 0, तो 2 zeros are 0. एक और चीज है वो ये है कि इफ द वंस डिजिट हैज 0 2 4 6 8, यानी अगर वंस प्लेस पे एक इवन नंबर है तो जो ये नंबर है ये 2 से डिविजिबल होगा. फाइन. सो यहाँ वंस डिजिट पे क्या है, 0 है, सो इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 एंड 20s आर राइट. नेक्स्ट 3 की टेबल में आता नहीं है. 5 8 40, ये हमें पता है. उसके अलावा 6 की टेबल में ही आएगा नहीं, 7 की टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा. हाँ, 4 की टेबल में आएगा. सो 4 into 10 is equal to 40. सो 40 is equal to, और तो किसी टेबल में आता नहीं है. सो 1 2 4 5 8 10 20 and 40. Now let's look at 28. So now 28 का मतलब फर्स्ट फैक्टर 1 into 28 तो होगा ही. Now here the ones digit is 8, which is an even number, so 2 से भी divisible है. 2 14 the 28. Next 28 is not divisible by 3, and 7 fours are 28, right? So 7 into 4. So 28 will be equals to 1 2 4 7 14 and 28. Now this 36. 1 into 36 is equal to 36. Even है, so 2 से भी है. 18 2s are 36, 6 6s are 36, and 9 4s is also equals to 36. So now 36 is equal to 1 2 4 6 9 18 and 36. जो रिपीट हो रहा है उसे हमें एक बार ही लिखना है. फाइन. Now next is this number D. So 68. 168 is 68. Even है तो 2 से डिविजिबल होगा. 234 is 68. But it is not divisible by 3. But yes, it is divisible by 4. 17 4 is 68. Now 5 street is not divisible by 6, not by 7. And so that's it. So we will write here 68 is equal to 1 2 4 17 34 and 68. Now number E. So 172 is 72. Again this is an even number, so divisible by 2. Divide करके आप easily ये number find out कर सकते हो. Now it is divisible by 3 also. 3 24s are 72. 3 कैसे हमने पता लगाया, 7 + 2 कितना हो रहा है, 9, और 9 जो है वो 3 की टेबल में आता है, तो ये भी 3 की टेबल में आता है. दिस इज अ ट्रिक. फाइन. नाउ after 3, what we can write? After 3 we can write, yes, 8 9s are 72, 12 6s are 72, and what else we can write? So you find out what else we can write. Okay, by the time this is done, so I am writing here 72 is equal to 1 2 3 6 8 9 12 24 36 and 72. Next 96. So 96 is equal to 1 into 96. Again this is also even number, so it is divisible by 2. 48 the 424 the 6 6 16 the, and till 16 it is going, and so 8 12 is also equals to 90. So 96 is equal to 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 32 and 48. Fine, children. So complete all these questions in your maths notebook. I hope you will enjoy solving factors and multiples chapter with me. So that's it from today's class. Thank you and bye bye.